It's an issue that's been smoldering for the last 4 years, and this past December, it came to a head. We're talking about central bankers and the unilateral changes to their pension fund. It started out as a benefit, but was eventually changed to a defined contribution, and that's not sitting well with the Bahamas Communications and Public Managers Union. Jiminy Swain tells us that the union has the full support of other local unions with a view of getting justice.
President of the Bahamas Communications and Public Managers Union, Ricardo Thompson, said for the last 37 years, central bankers have contributed 5% of their salaries to the pension fund. He adds, however, that changes to the fund have meant losses by as much as $30,000 for some employees.
The bankers reached a collective bargaining agreement where they failed to have meaningful and adequate consultation. The result of this breach has severely injured our members, and their unwillingness and refusal to engage in good industrial practice has left us with no other alternative but to seek legal relief.
The move, Thompson said, comes after the bank ignored attempts by the union to resolve the matter amicably. And according to Thompson, the bank also ignored a complaint filed with the Department of Labor. The union's attorney, Alfred, says that the bank has the right under the pension plan to alter the terms of the agreement. That was, he added, until they signed an agreement with the union.
In the collective bargaining agreement, the central bank committed itself not to unilaterally change the terms and conditions of employment. Secondly, the central bank committed itself to consult with the unions whenever it contemplated or wanted to change any aspect of the pension plan.
The union president said more than 200 managers and non-managers who have been with the bank between 20 to 40 years have been impacted. Says that the union wants a resolution.
Or the remedy is being sought is to rescind the unilateral action that the bank has taken, and also to restore persons who would have been adversely impacted to their original position. And certainly there's the issue of costs.
The union has also called for government to bring forth legislation to protect pensions, particularly as this issue has national implications. Jiminy Swain, ZNS Network News.
Now, ZNS News also reached out to officials from the Central Bank of the Bahamas for a comment. Governor Wendy Craig said she was not aware of the press conference today and opted not to comment on this matter at this time.